Hi, I'm Mohammad Hassanwala and I'm a civil engineer, structural engineer to be specific.
Hi, I'm Batul Sakriwala, now Batul Hassamwala, and I'm a fashion designer by profession.
How did you guys happen to meet each other?
We were on a WhatsApp group
Yeah.
and yeah, together. And then, we started chatting, we met, and the night we met was wonderful. Like, we were out till 2 a.m. in the
2 a.m.
morning.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, it was a very romantic night. It was the first time we met, but we loved each other's company so much. I think
So you guys were absolute strangers to each other.
Yeah, yeah, absolute strangers. I think we like supposing if he texted me on Wednesday and then by Thursday he's like, "Do you want to meet on this weekend? What are you doing? What are your plans?" And I'm like, "No plans. I'll have to see whatever." And then we just ended up having a plan, and he came down to town. And then we were just roaming around. We were actually going to meet just for dinner, but we landed up roaming more. And then by 10:30ish, I was like, "Boss, we need to go back. We've not eaten yet." So yeah. But the most romantic thing of that night was like while we were heading towards the restaurant, there was a small signal near Bayview. He just stopped there and he's just honking continuously. And I'm like, it's just 15 seconds. I'm totally judging him. Okay, इसको इतना घाई है, why is like, it's just 15 seconds, it's just, why can't he just wait? And then he puts his window down and he just calls as something, and those florist people, who just randomly walking, he must have noticed dur se, calls, and then he just takes that entire bouquet and he's like here. And I'm like, do people really do something like this
So what
nowadays?
was that like that moment was I'm sure special to you. Was it like a Shah Rukh
Very.
Khan moment? He
Yeah,
won
yeah,
over
yeah,
you in that
very,
moment?
very, very, very. I was controlling my blushing, and he's like, I wish they were red, and I was like, ew, nahi, abhi ye zyada ho gaya, pink theek hai.
So you played like a absolute clean, swift move, buying the flowers, banking in that 15 seconds, and you got her like sold for a lifetime to you.
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
totally, totally. In fact, the next day was much more interesting because after we parted ways by 2 a.m., the next day again at like 12 p.m., he's like, "What are your today plans?" I'm like, "You just left me today. It's today only."
and and like how long have you guys known each other for?
We've known each other for a year. Like we
Years.
courtshiped for a year,
You,
and then we were like, "Chalo,
you
chapter
guys
nahi
dated
padenge."
for a year and then
No, we
More than a
dated
year,
for. I
actually.
think we dated
Actually,
for
we
like
dated
5 months,
more than a
and
year.
then
We dated
yeah,
total,
huh,
and then we got married last month.
yeah.
Yeah.
so when was it like I'm sure that this is the guy, and when was it for you that I'm sure this is the girl?
So on the after the first date, on the second or the third date, I asked her that one of my friend was getting married.
Huh.
So I asked her if she would like to attend the wedding with me. So first she was hesitant. Later on she said yes. So when she came for the wedding, we enjoyed ourselves a lot. We had a dance. Yeah. So that is the
It's like the
moment I
typical
think.
Catholic wedding where like everybody's dancing, those like where does those nice thing and we're like just enjoying ourselves. And then I think it was a fourth date or something, and he's like, he just pull. I'm on the bike, and he just pulls my arm forward. And he's like, "You're mine," and I'm like, "What?"
So that was a Sayara moment for you.
Yeah. And that day only, I think we came to this na Juhu to eat gola only. So we while returning, he's like, "I want to switch my bike." So I was like, "Okay." And then he just calls his mom out, and then auntie comes on, and auntie's like, and I'm like, "What?" So yeah, for me, I was like, "What the
So
hell?"
चुपके से मॉम का भी अप्रूवल ले
हाँ,
लिया.
ले लिया,
Yeah.
yeah. Crazy it was.
And like if you if like I'm sure all couples fight, you guys must be fighting also.
Yeah, we
So
had a lot of fights.
so who makes up for the fight first?
Uh, it's mostly me.
Such a
Yeah.
liar, such a liar.
And who starts the fight?
He mostly you.
That would be me again.
No, no. I think we had a lot of fights before we got married, and it was like, what is all this happening? Like, suddenly you feel like, oh shit, that honeymoon phase is over so soon, and then after marriage, it's like, where's the fights now? It was like just go on. I'm like, why don't we fight? Chal, let's fight. Why are we fighting now? We used to fight so much before we got married. Oh my god. But
but
now, too, Alhamdulillah, we are not fighting.
but don't you think it's better to have your fights, fair share of fights before
A
marriage than after
lot, a
marriage?
lot. I feel we are blessed like that. I like now. I feel like okay, the honeymoon phase is like returned back to its phase.
Back to its glory.
Yeah.
And while you all were dating and while you all were discussing marriage, you all had any basic fundamentals that you all set up that we want these fundamentals to be like the core of our relationship?
Think like those fundamentals are before marriage. Like
Yeah.
when we are looking for someone,
So
we
did
have
you all
some fundamentals
discuss
in
that?
mind. Yeah.
No, I don't
So,
think we
but
ever.
after we find the one, then it is like, chalo, for her, I think I will skip
Yeah.
all those fundamentals.
Yeah.
I think that was my thing,
And what about you?
I don't think we ever
Discussed.
discussed anything. It was even when initially we used to chat, a lot of things were similar, like the way we talk,
Right.
or like a lot of views and a lot of like family values are very similar.
Similar.
So when like he's the first person I met who was talkative on the first date. Usually it was me taking an effort, making the person talk.
So you like
yeah.
him being able to hold a conversation with you is what you like.
Yeah. So it was that day itself. I just knew like he was an open book for me. He just opened up everything like mom, dad, bhai, bhabhi, baby, this, that.
He gave you the whole khandan ka
खानदान
history.
का history that जो है मैं ऐसे नहीं हो गया था. So it was I just knew he's there. He's not here for like just some time pass.
He's
is
here
going
to be
on.
there
He's
forever.
there, yeah. So yeah.
What is the love language you guys have for each other?
I think Batul's love language is she cooks.
Yeah, I
She-
cook. I love to cook.
Yeah. So whenever she's happy, she'll cook amazing, delicious food.
And when she's not in a mood, it's a takeaway.
We haven't had a takeaway food, but
We don't go out that much.
Okay.
Yeah, like Batul loves cooking. Like for example, today she made amazing French toast with strawberry
crush.
crush. Yeah. With homemade crush, like and cut strawberries.
So
Yeah.
that's you feel that's her food is her love language
Yeah,
for
food
you.
Food
is a
is
love
my
language.
love language, but I also think like words of affirmation and physical touch is always like above food. So I love it when he's just praising me out of the blue and he'll just go like, "Oh, you're looking cute today." I'm like, "आज चांद कहाँ से निकला भाई?" Like, why is he suddenly praising me? Like, okay, I like it. So yeah,
And what is his love language for you? Like he answered yours.
I think his is more of a like what I have understood. He likes it when I understand if he's putting a point forward and I understand his point and I don't debate much against it, and I'm there for him like in the full support, and I also like give him affirmation, like like words of affirmation, or if I think
Yeah,
that's
true.
the thing.
So you being supportive is
Yeah,
your love language
yeah,
to him.
yeah.
Matlab, for Batul, like when she is there for you, she's there for you in all. Like
Yeah.
it's
Blood,
day,
sweat,
night, all. Yeah,
Everything
blood,
is there
tears,
for you.
everything,
She'll come
yeah,
to war with you.
yeah.
Yeah.
And how often, like now that you all are married, how often do you all go out on dates?
Well, this is can we count this as a date right now?
No, I don't know whether what's your plan, so I really don't know.
Honestly, like we don't go
have-
for dates that much.
Haan.
We love to go for long
We
drives.
keep planning dates.
We plan some things, but we never do it. Instead, we go for long
Like
drives.
spontaneous
long
things. Like we'll
rides.
just spontaneously he'll be like, "Chal, aaj yahan jana hai,"
Spontaneously, like
whatever,
last
yeah.
week we left from Mahabaleshwar.
Yeah.
It was a wonderful trip.
But don't you think long drives with good weather, good music, and amazing company is the best therapy?
It's the best
Yeah,
therapy.
yeah,
Yes.
absolutely. Like I'll always complain to him, like the day I'm underdressed, he's like, "Aaj jana hai kya yahan pe khana?" And I'm like, "Why? I'm underdressed today. I want to be dolled up and I want to go for a proper date." And he'll be like, "Arey chal na." I'm like,
Girl
"No."
issues.
Yeah, girl issues. So yeah, but it's fun.
And how, like you spoke about affirmations
Yeah.
and you spoke about reaffirming each other.
Yeah.
How often do you feel is it necessary to express your love, your emotions, your feelings to each other
I think every day.
every day?
Yeah.
What about you?
I think every day, yeah.
Don't copy answers. Chal.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't give an affirmation. I just express what I feel.
Yeah.
Whenever she looks pretty, I just tell her you look pretty. Whenever she looks beautiful, I just say it whenever I feel like.
And what is the one thing in your relationship which keeps you guys going?
I think each other. Yeah. I think.
Like one thing that I had learned from my parents, because they were like they're practically cousins, first cousins, but they fell in love with each other. So what my mom had told me once, that you waking up every day, irrespectively of the previous night fight or the previous week fight,
Hmm.
and you still want to be there.
Hmm.
You want to see that person's face in the morning next to you. You will just keep going.
Wow.
Yeah. So I think I want to see his face for the rest of my life till I die. So that's going to keep me pushing.
That answer has swept me off words. I don't have any words to say. And one thing that annoys you the most about Muhammad?
He's very like a do get up person, like chalo chalo abhi right now, get up, why
Like
are you sitting,
I
get up, why no, I can't I see you productive enough, and I'm like, I don't want to be productive today. Fine, go do your work. So yeah, that's
like
a
one
little
thing
annoying for
I
me.
lack is I lack a lot of patience, and Batul has a lot of patience. Yeah, so that is the biggest difference between us.
So, if I had to ask you the same question, one thing that annoys you about Batul?
Again, I think my answer, like is the same. Like Batul has a lot of patience, and I'm a very impatient person. Like if I want something, I will want something right now, and Batul is okay, we'll do it. Like, Batul will wait for the right time, right moment. Like she'll understand. Like and I will be like, no, now only. Like I'll be irrespective of the time and situation. So yeah.
You guys have an amazing, crazy love story.
Thank you.
I really
you.
enjoyed the conversation. I want to end this with one last question.
Yeah.
If you two were jailed as a couple for committing a crime, what crime would it be and why? सीधे साधे couple हो. Nothing. You won't do anything
We don't
that
do-
lands you in trouble.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you had to step down your career
Hmm.
for your relationship,
Hmm.
would you do that?
I don't think either of us are those kind of people who are going to tell
No,
any of
not
us
not
to
not
step
because
down.
of
Yeah.
him or not because of her. It could be
Huh.
any reason. It could be children. It could be
For a while,
you
yes.
not being able
For
to
a while,
balance work
yes.
and family life. Could
Yeah.
be anything.
Yeah, for a while, yes.
Okay.
Like I was working last year, so then I took a break for a year. So I have a year gap because I was really exhausted. I was like, and that's when I actually got personal life on track, because professional life was like kicking in like a lot. So I know that I am okay with taking that year gap and like
So you would
focusing
do
on
like a
personal.
switch off,
Yeah,
switch on according
switch
to
on. Yeah,
whatever
yeah, yeah,
suits your
yeah,
schedule.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.